Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Friday, October 4th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this weekend. It's pretty simple. Math, science, social studies, language arts. There is no homework. In literature, it is very important that we are reading this weekend, especially if you've not yet hit your accelerated reader goal. We have 1 week remaining in the first quarter for you to meet your AR goal. The AR reading ends Friday, October 11th. Speaking of the first quarter officially ends 2 weeks from today. That is Friday, October 18th. 2019. Make sure that we are finishing the quarter strong and we're not having any yellow slips. We are doing the extra credit when available and asking questions to our teachers before school, during class, and also during Warrior time. We want to make sure that we end this first quarter with a bang and keep the ground rolling into the second 9 weeks. That's going to be it for today. Go Varsity Warriors this weekend. Beat the Vikings from River Valley. Everyone have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.